Building your own extension cord can save you more money if you need a long wire more than 10 meters, or if you want something more durable and heavy-duty. However, if you only need a short 1 to 5 meters, it is cheaper and more practical to buy a ready-made one due to the bulk pricing of manufacturers' assembled extension cord DIY. This involves buying a separate outlet wire, usually flat cord or royal cord, and a plug, then assembling them yourself. Heavy duty. Since you are buying the wire yourself, you can choose a thicker gauge, for example, gauge number 14 or number 12. This is more durable for power tools or appliances with high electricity consumption. Customized length. You decide exactly how long you need it to be, for example, exactly 7 meters. Disadvantage. If the wires inside are not connected properly, it poses a risk of short circuits or fire. These also lack built-in surge protection. Safety reminders. You can assemble an extension cord as long as you have the right materials and prioritize safety. You need the correct wire thickness, usually to 0.5 square millimeters for appliances, a male plug, a female socket, outlet, and tools like a wire stripper and screwdriver. Avoid thin wires. Do not use thin wires for high-consumption appliances. They may overheat and cause a fire. Check polarity. Ensure the polarity live and neutral is correct during installation. Don't overload. Do not overload the extension cord. Check the wattage rating of the outlet. When in doubt, if you are unsure, it is better to buy a factory-made extension cord with safety certifications. Materials needed. Electrical wire to 0.5 square millimeters or depending on the load. Male plug, the part that plugs into the wall. Female socket, outlet where you plug in the appliances. Screwdriver. Wire cutter, stripper. Electrical tape. Step-by-step process. Measure the wire length depending on your needs, for example, 3 meters, 5 meters, or longer. Strip the ends of the insulation. Use a wire stripper to expose the copper strands about 1 centimeter. Attach to the male plug. Open the male plug using a screwdriver. Insert the 2 wires live and neutral into the correct terminals. Tighten the screws to ensure they are loose. Attach to the female socket, outlet. Follow the same process. Insert the wires into the terminals and tighten. Secure the connections. Use electrical tape if there are any exposed wires. Double check that no connections are loose. Testing. Plug it into a wall outlet and test if the appliance works. Kindly don't forget to follow my Facebook page. Thank you very much.